Navratri may be over, but I'm not quite done with Gujarati food yet. That's the reason why I'm here at the Firki Veg Desi kitchen, a place which serves Gujarati food with a twist, Rajasthani cuisine, Maharashtrian, South Indian and a lot more. So come along with me and see what I'm savoring for lunch today. Like the colourful Firki we used to play with as children, the menu at Firki here is equally colourful and exhaustive. I love the fusion element in this menu. Pav Bhaji fondue, Mexican bhel, Bajra uttapa, misal pav. There's so much to choose from, and that's not all. There is an array of exciting drinks, various sharbats, chas, jaljeera, and desserts as well. So I've decided to have one of the traditional Gujarati delicacies, panki, along with baked rasgulla and of course my white rose petal sharbat. Panki is a very typical Gujarati dish, but here at Firki they do it with a bit of a twist. The rice flour pancakes are of course steamed in banana leaves, and there's an interesting Bhavnagari chili chutney. So I'm going to try this. I love the delicate texture of this dish. The goodness of garlic or lasoon all the way. Light, fluffy, almost as if you're not eating anything. It's so light and I'm sure easy to digest as well. Smashing combination. Pankis at Firki are served with various kind of chutneys, and that's, I really think, what sets them apart from panki at all other places. I have thoroughly enjoyed my panki for lunch. It was light, flavorful, but a medley of textures and flavors on my tongue. Spicy, tangy, but flavorful all the way. The white rose petal sharbat here, I think, is absolutely unique. It's not the typical rose petal sharbat that you expect, pink or red in color. This one is white, cloyingly sweet, but refreshing nevertheless, and I'm not complaining on this hot October afternoon. I love the presentation of the baked rasgullas. White, creamy, alluring and appetizing. Spongy, soft and creamy. No chance of going wrong with the rasgulla, and when it is in its baked version, a wee bit healthier than the normal ones, so much better. I have thoroughly enjoyed my meal, which I began with the light, flavorful panki, the Gujarati traditional delicacy but served with a twist. Of course, the white rose petal sharbat was refreshing, and the baked rasgullas were the absolute perfect end to a wonderful meal. Fun fusion food, Gujarati, Rajasthani, South Indian, Maharashtrian and a lot more. Yes, that's what Firki is all about. A fun, vibrant place with bright, colourful elements, a great ambience, excellent food. I'm definitely coming back here for more. If you enjoy watching my food reviews, do subscribe to Mini's Food Fundas.